Break it down a power washer carb to clean. Gonna be easy. Gotta get these main jets out. Find the slot. Take your time, carburetor. Why don't you? Ba-bam. Remember, this side is out, and this little side is in. Look at that gunk. Yuck City. Take this gasket out before we put it in the parts washer. Don't want it to expand or shrink, because we should be able to reuse it on this little job. Fill you a mason jar full of gasoline, because it makes a great solvent and cleaner. Don't worry, it's still safe to use in the parts washer. Jang-a-lang. To fit this section of the carb, I'm going to have to take off the choke lever. I'm also going to have to take off the fuel shutoff. Gaskets in there, don't clean those either. Gotta get them loose. Don't lose them. They're little. Man, look at this nasty washer. That one we will clean. It's wavy. We can stick this lever in as well if you really want to. Let's avoid putting this little guy in heat and fuel, just to be safe. Keep a note of its orientation, although I don't think it really matters. But it's always best to put things back the way they came apart. It still doesn't fit. It's on you, universe. I found a container that used to have cashews in it 15 or 20 years ago. Little bit of carb cleaner and she's good as used. Da-na, da-na, da-na. It fits. And we're just gonna dump everything else in there as well. Make one big batch of gas carburetor soup. Don't worry about all that jang-a-lang going along. You're gonna be just fine. More gas.